You are watching this because you're a top mortgage lender. You're part of one of the fastest growing teams in all of mortgage, INTERLINC. And you're watching this because the time is now. What's up, everybody? It's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system for the mortgage industry. And the time is now. Right now, I'm going to be coming out to Texas to work with you directly. Here's what we're going to learn during our time in Texas. I'm going to show you exactly how to get the attention of referral partners, people that can send business over to you and INTERLINC. We're going to learn a real reason to have the industry get us involved in every single one of their deals. And of course, it wouldn't be a Matt Easton live event if I didn't teach you how to close, how to follow up, how to double your production this year while your competition is wondering, hey, what the heck just happened? The time is now. The time is right now. I'm going to be there. You're going to be there. The whole team from INTERLINC is going to be there. And we're not taking part. We're taking over mortgage in 2025.